When choosing new windows for your home, performance matters just as much as appearance, especially in a place like Coppell, where seasonal temperature changes can impact comfort and energy use. Picture windows, known for their large, fixed glass panels and unobstructed views, are a popular option for homeowners looking to enhance both style and efficiency. But how do they perform throughout the year? The answer lies in their design and modern energy-saving features. Picture windows are non-operable, meaning they don't open or close like other window styles. While this might seem limiting at first, it actually provides a major advantage when it comes to handling temperature changes. Because they don't have moving parts, picture windows are built with a continuous, airtight seal. This helps prevent air leaks, making them one of the most energy-efficient window options available. During Coppell's hot summers, keeping indoor spaces cool is a top priority. Picture windows can be equipped with advanced glass technology, such as double or triple pane glass and low emissivity, coatings. These features help reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to enter. The result is a bright, comfortable space that doesn't overheat, even on sunny days. In cooler months, picture windows continue to perform well by helping retain indoor heat. The insulated glass layers reduce heat transfer, keeping warm air inside your home where it belongs. This is especially beneficial during colder spells in Coppell, as it helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature without overworking your heating system. One of the standout benefits of picture windows is their ability to maximize natural light. While this enhances the look and feel of your home, it also plays a role in energy efficiency. Increased daylight reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, which can lower energy usage. In Coppell homes, this added brightness creates a more open and inviting atmosphere year-round. Another important factor is their durability. Because picture windows don't have hinges, tracks, or other moving components, there are fewer opportunities for wear and tear. This makes them less prone to issues like misalignment or seal failure over time. In a climate with seasonal fluctuations, having a window that maintains its integrity is a major advantage. Picture windows also contribute to improved indoor comfort by reducing drafts. Their fixed design eliminates common problem areas where air can leak in or out. This means fewer cold spots in the winter and fewer warm spots in the summer, helping create a more balanced and comfortable living environment. Noise reduction is another benefit that homeowners appreciate. The same features that help regulate temperature, such as multi-pane glass and tight seals, also help block outside noise. For homeowners in Coppell, this can mean a quieter, more relaxing home, even in busier neighborhoods. While picture windows don't provide ventilation on their own, they can be paired with operable windows like casement or double-hung styles. This combination allows you to enjoy the energy efficiency and views of picture windows while still having the option for airflow when needed. It's a practical way to balance performance and functionality. Proper installation is essential to ensuring picture windows perform as expected. Even the most advanced window won't deliver its full benefits if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a tight fit, proper sealing, and optimal insulation, all of which are crucial for handling Coppell's temperature changes. In addition to performance, picture windows enhance your home's overall aesthetic. Their large, unobstructed glass panels create a clean, modern look that works well with a variety of architectural styles. They also highlight outdoor views, making your home feel more connected to its surroundings. Ultimately, picture windows are a smart choice for homeowners in Coppell who want to improve both comfort and efficiency. Their ability to maintain a tight seal, regulate temperature, and maximize natural light makes them well suited for handling seasonal changes. If you're looking for a window option that combines performance, durability, and style, picture windows offer a reliable solution. With the right features and professional installation, they can help you enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home all year long.